Today in the issue, I'm late for the bus, all of a sudden. I go to the subway. I get out of the subway, and then it bakes, and I take a car sharing. Today we have Geely Chinese. But, by the way, it looks more or less decent. To come to Sestroretsk on the Gulf of Finland. It's a little windy on the bay. But the waves are what? People on websites dissect. Tin. And not to say that it's hot. Gorgeous. We can say that we will have a successful summer. Look how delicious it is. Here you go. New missed. Come on, who's brave? Good duh. And you're not that brave, hold on. Op is good. That's it for today. Well, we'll be lucky from here. Kia Rio X line is a pure classic of the genre. Styrene plugs, bumper. Well, and 4 little things there on the body. The smell, of course, is my homage to Sestroretsk, pine trees, the sea local. The situation is the last bus. We have dawn and some celestial anomalies.